Hello students. In the last session we have discussed about the how to draw the K-map and how to simplify the equations. Otherwise, without knowing the equations, how by the truth table, how can you get the equations from the K-map? In the last session we have discussed. In last session using that one pos is a product of some we have discussed. In today's session I am going to discuss about the sop is a sum of the product. Sum of the product can be used that one. It is the using the complement of the equation. If you do that one complement of the equation, you can get to know into the equations. SOP using the K map and obtain the reduced pause. Reduced pause means it is the minimization of the equation. Minimization of the equation, can we see that one? For example, f of ABC equals to 2 4 5 6. 2 4 5 6 is a three variables are there. Correct. Three variables, can we write it? 2, can we write it like that? 2, can we write it? 0 0 1 0. 4 is a 0 1 double 0. 0 1 0 1 0 1 1 6. I'm going to delete this 4-digit number. Yes. Can we write it A bar B bar C bar? A bar B C bar A B bar C bar A B bar C A bar B bar C. This is the equations. They will get the one in the equation from that pause. How can we write the K map? How much 2 raised to 3 is 8. Yes. A bar B B bar C bar B bar C B C C bar. This is A B C is here. Yes, where is the A bar B B bar? Sorry, A bar B C bar. A bar B C bar. Here the one. And next A B bar C bar. It is. What color can I take? Here the one. Next is a B bar C bar. Here the one. A B bar C. 1. A bar B bar C. A bar B bar C. Here the one. One pair and the two pair. What is that one? Here the mistake. Here the mistake. A B C bar. Here what is that one? A B C bar. Here the one. This is the one pair. Yes. What are the pairs are there? A B bar C bar. B bar C bar plus A B bar C. A B bar. I got to know that one. A B bar from this equation. Yes. B C bar plus A bar B C bar. Here the equations it is One term I have cancelled. A. B C bar common. B C bar. A B bar B C bar. Yes, this is the equation from the K map. Right. From the pause equation. In the SOP can be write it like that. A B bar B C bar from this equation we have discussed. In the SOP what will come that one? Zero pair, how can we write that one? It is a pause. What we have done that one? This is the pause equation we got that one. In the SOP what we have to see that one? We have to see that one. It is a 0 0 0 0. Yes, this is the one pair and this is the one pair. Yes, how the equation will come, let us see that one. A bar B bar C bar plus A bar B bar C. A bar B bar is a one equation. A bar B bar plus one more equation. A B C. Which one is a common here? BC is a common. BC will come from this equation. A bar B bar plus BC is the equation, but f of the complement will you write that one? We have to put the both the side complement. A bar B bar plus a B whole bar can be written by the De Morgan's equations. A bar B bar whole bar into B bar. Here A bar bar plus B bar bar into B bar. A plus B into B bar is a equation of the equation. A B bar plus B into B bar is a 0. A B bar is a answer for this SOP. SOP can be write it like that. A bar B bar plus BC equation can be used it BC. A bar B bar plus BC, we got to know that one from this equation. B and C whole bar, A bar B bar whole bar into BC, can we write it? A bar bar plus B bar, A plus B whole bar, B bar plus C bar. This is the equations come from this equations from the SOP equations. It is the SOP equations can be write it in the complement of the equations, can you get to know that one? Yes. Next example can we take it? 2, 4, 6, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. It is a 4 bit. 4 variables are there. This is a pause equation. This is a SOP equations. Yes, can we discuss here that one? If you have tried in your home, you can get this result or not. Otherwise, you can't understood that one. I will explain this one. This is the way to understand the K map. K map is a use for to identify the equations by the blocks, by this diagrams, by this map can we identify the equations very easily. In this way can we express it. And the next is a half adder and the full adder. You have studied already in your PUC level, but if, equations are there for this half adder and the full adder. I'm going to explain about the half adder and the full adder circuit.